students, today we are going to do class 10 simple machine MCQs. So let's start. The first question is, which of the following are the properties of an idle machine? Efficiency of a machine is 100%. That's absolutely right. Friction is 0. Yes. MA and VR are equal. So answer will be D part, all of above. An example of a lever is C part, scissor. Then is the force multiplier is a simple machine that multiplies, basically it multiplies our effort. Next is a Ferris wheel is an example of, answer will be wheel and axle, D part. Ferris wheel is basically that a big merry-go-round kind of, right? That is. Next is when we use a machine as a force multiplier, then which is correct? So here the answer would be, for force multiplier we have more load and we apply less effort, so answer should be A part. For an idle machine, which is true, output is greater than input, output is equal to input, M is equal to VR, both B and C, so answer will be both B and C. They are equal, output and input are equal, and MA and VR are also equal. Now next is the find the correct relationship. We know that efficiency is MA by VR. Okay, so efficiency into VR is equal to MA. Let's find out if something like this is given. So here the answer would be this one, A part. Answer will be A. MA is equal to efficiency into VR. Next is a single fixed pulley is used as a, so we are basically using it to apply effort in a convenient direction. It doesn't act as a speed multiplier nor as force multiplier, so answer will be C. Next is MA of a machine is 5, the effort necessary, so we know formula for MA is load by effort, and here what is given, MA is 5, that is equal to load is 100 upon effort, interchange effort becomes 20, 100 by 5 is 20 Newton, so answer should be B part, 20 Newton. Next is with reference to the term MA, VR and efficiency, then the term that will not change for a given design of a machine. So here the answer for 10th part will be VR doesn't changes, because VR doesn't depend on the design of the machine. It rather depends on the distance moved. Okay, next is 11th one. A single fixed pulley and a single movable pulley are both used separately to lift a load of 50 kg to same height. Compare the effort applied. Okay, so we know that for a single fixed pulley, MA is equal to load by effort, and MA for this is always 1, load by effort. For movable, MA is equal to load by effort and MA is always 2 for single movable pulley. Let's put the value of load. So load is 50. You need to find effort, so effort will become 50 by 1. Here effort will become 50 by 2, so that becomes 25. Now they are asking you to compare the ratio of the efforts applied. So what will be the ratio? 50 upon 25, so it cancels out, 2:1 will be answer. So let's see, answer will be B part. Next is, if the block and tackle with a convenient direction has 3 movable pulleys in the lower block, then its VRS. Okay, one thing you have to remember, if we are using a block and tackle system, so the upper system which remain fixed, that is called block, and the lower one is called tackle which moves. And you always know that the number of pulleys in tackle is always equal to, or it is 1 greater than that of the block. Okay, so now they have given there are total 3 movable one. So 3 movable means what? So 3 movable means this can have 3 and this can also have 3. So 3 plus 3 becomes 6, or the lower one can have 4 and upper one can have 3. I told you, the lower one can have one more also. So possibility becomes 6 and 7. So answer should be A part, either 6 or 7. Next is the total number. This is important question. 13th. The total number of pulleys in a block and a tackle system are 4, and the effort is applied in the upward direction. Mostly we apply effort in the downward direction because that is more convenient. But if it is in the upward direction, then you have to remember one thing, that whatever is the value of your total number of pulleys, that is here it is 4, you have to add one more to get the value of MA and VR. So here the answer will be 5. Okay, there's one of the numerical also that is given in Selena's example, the last numerical. Please go through that is very important again. Next is 14th part. If the load moves up at a distance of x, then what is the distance moved by effort? You have to apply effort, since here the VR value is 5, right? Let me write here, VR is 5 and now VR is dE by dL. So what they are saying, distance moved by load is, this is 5 is equal to dE by, this is x. So shift this here, 5x should be the answer, distance moved by effort. Now B part will be the answer. And the last is MA is related to VR in a practical. We know that MA value will be always less than VR in reality, practical use. So it should be C part. Hope it would be useful for you.